Things people don't tell you about being a freelance copywriting mama, part 1. Hi, I'm Christa Nichols. I'm a freelance copywriting coach who helps mamas grow businesses as freelance copywriters. All flowers and roses, I know, because I did it myself when I grew a sales copywriting business from $0 to $250,000 in my first 12 months. This is my start of a series on things people don't tell freelance copywriters from a mom's perspective. When you start a freelance copywriting business, you become the leader of your business. That means you get to call the shots. You get to make the decisions. There's no more boss telling you what to do, how to spend your time, or how much you can make. But that also means that you are solely responsible for the outcomes. So if you're new to freelance copywriting and you're just getting started, or if you've been going for a while and you just don't like how things are going, give yourself some time to sit down and think about what you want your business to look like. How many hours do you want to work? How much do you want to be earning? What types of clients do you want to work with? If you dive into this without any idea what your business by design looks like, you're going to end up with your business trying to run roughshod over you. Know what you want your business to look like. You're going to get better results in creating the kind of business that matches your lifestyle. Follow for more things that no one talks about when it comes to being a freelance copywriting mama.